for 5 months. So let's start off with the unboxing. So this item was sent to me by an Italian-based jewelry company called DUNALI, so DUNALI, and this item has been sitting in my room for the longest time, and I'm so super excited to finally be doing a little unboxing and first impressions so I can finally actually start wearing this piece. So DUNALI, like I mentioned, it's an Italian-based company. They are designed in Italy, of course, and handcrafted in China, and all of their items are 925 sterling silver. This particular necklace is gold plated. It's called the rose gold plated open heart silver pendant necklace. It's actually a birthstone necklace. My birthday is in November, so I picked out the citrine gemstone, and they typically retail for about $59.99, but they always have promotions. Like right now, I'm pretty sure if you go on their website, which I'll have linked in the description bar below, they're having a promo where if you buy 2 items, you can get 1 free. They're also having 12% off site-wide as a discount, and if you do miss out on this discount, they usually always have 10% off if you are a new customer on any item. So really good deal. If you guys are interested, like I said, all the information will be in the description bar below. So let's just go ahead and do the little unboxing. So this is the bag that it comes in, really pretty royal blue purple color. The lettering is in a gold finish, really gorgeous and reflective. Really nice sturdy bag, if I do say so myself. And then it comes with a little card, which is super cute. I love the attention to detail on this card. So there's a lot of like floral prints right around, and it says, "Thanks for your purchase, friend brand union sale." Okay, so it says Barbaroni x DUNALI, time to seize your love and romance, and there's a little coupon code. So really great. Okay, so the coupon code is for 10% off. Like I said, they're always having really good promotions, so it wouldn't be difficult to get 10% off or some sort of discount off of your order. So it says, "Dear valued customer, in order to express our thanks for your strong support to our friend brand DUNALI, Barbaroni is here to offer you a 10% off coupon code. You can pick a wonderful dress to treat yourself. Barbaroni dresses will match your sparkling jewelry perfectly. You can also share this code with family members, friends, and the like. So shop right now. Yours sincerely." Okay, so that's a really cute personalized touch right there. And so for the item itself, the box is really good quality, very sturdy and thick, so great for storage purposes. Okay, there you go. There is the item. Comes with a little tag. Look how pretty that looks. I don't know if this camera is picking it up, but like I said, it is rose gold plated on top of 925 sterling silver, and they do have a 1-year warranty for all of their jewelry items. And this one, I think I mentioned, retails for $59.99, but again, sales are always happening. So let me just open this up and do a little try on for you. So I just love the embossing right here. Adds a really nice touch, especially if you are gift giving, right? We always love a good packaging. This is what the necklace looks like. It's super shiny. I don't know if you can really see that, but very reflective. I love a reflective chain. So nice. Okay, I just want to try to give you a little close-up of the necklace. I'm not sure if that's focusing, but it's just an open heart-shaped pendant, and then there's that little really pretty yellow colored citrine stone in the middle. And of course, they have all different birthstones corresponding to all the different months of the year, as you can imagine. So really nice. I love this. Okay, so right now let's see if we are focusing. We're back in focus. So right now I have on a necklace. This is one that my sister got me for Christmas this past December rather. And it is fairly low, so you can most likely just layer this piece right on top of it. I'm gonna try to put this necklace on by myself. It has a little lobster clasp right here, really tiny, but then there's also extension the back of the necklace. There's a knot in it right now, but I'm a little bit lazy to remove that knot. So you can certainly lengthen and adjust the chain accordingly if you want a more choker style type of look. Oh, that was a lot easier than I thought. I usually struggle so hard putting necklaces on by myself, but okay. So look how cute. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. So the necklace that I'm currently wearing right here is a very thin gold chain, but I think it looks really, really nice paired with this rose gold one. I love how that looks. Look how dainty and pretty that is. Super gorgeous and shiny chain. I'm probably just gonna keep this on. I just love layering necklaces like this and just personalizing like a stack just for everyday wear. So I think that this is perfect for every day. It's not too bold, but it is very, very subtle, and it just adds a little touch of sparkle to your outfit. So yeah, I really like how that looks, and so really, really happy that DUNALI reached out to me and sent me that piece. So thank you so very much. So that is pretty much everything for the unboxing and first impressions. Now let's just transition right into the updated jewelry favorites. So like I mentioned, a lot of the newer items that I purchased throughout this past couple of months, I haven't really been able to enjoy as much since I've just been at home, and I don't typically wear a lot of jewelry at home, although I do still wear my everyday bracelet stacks, but anything beyond that is just not really something that I put on at home, if you know what I'm saying.